What is up, YouTube? So today we have an interesting video. This is a kind of a wholesale but like mystery box, and this is an expensive one. This one was $1,000, and this one kind of has a funny story to it because I ordered this on the 2nd and today is the 19th. So this package actually got lost for about 10 days after it should have arrived on the 7th, but it did not. It arrived today, which is again the 19th. It's not the seller's fault, just with the whole pandemic going on, it kind of just ruined everything for me. But they finally located it and it's in my possession now, and we're gonna open it together. But if you guys are new here, in this pandemic, I buy wholesale and mystery boxes. Well, wholesale, but I make the mystery boxes so you guys can kind of unbox them, and it makes for good content right now. The world for me is opening up tomorrow, which is the 20th. I'm in Connecticut, and everything should be opening up, so I should be doing some ride-alongs and stuff like that, so be prepared for more content than just mystery boxes. I'll probably just be doing more wholesale on the higher end now once the world opens, whatever. Yeah, so let's just begin. This is from I am Mr. Carter on Instagram, and this is a premium. So there's 18 pieces in here for $1,000, which I think equates to about 50 to 60 bucks a shirt. So this should be on the higher end of the spectrum. All right, so we got it open, and we'll give you guys a sneak peek. I don't want to take a look at anything, but what do you guys see? Anything good? Close it up. I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna put it down here. I put it right below me so I can just kind of snatch them up, and this maybe make it a faster video. I don't know if you guys like the longer ones or the fast ones, whatever. So let's just go right off the top. We got Batman. This is 1988. This thing is like basically dead stock. It is on a Screen Star's Best. And I actually saw this one already because I had to find out what was the top item, because I needed to know at least one item that was in here, because I waited at least like 15 days for this to come in and I needed to know. And this is actually super sick. I'm hoping this fits me. It is a bigger size, but it also is from 1988. So who knows? And I'm gonna put the values on these up here. I'm not gonna guess because I don't really know too much on premium. I know this is about 125 plus, so that's a great start, but I'm gonna put the rest up here and tally the total for us so we know at the end what this box was worth. And here we have a Metallica push head, Don't Tread on Me. Here, looks like it's on a Screen Stars tag, but the tag is disintegrated. And these sell for a ton of money, usually, and it's pretty tattered on the back, but I actually sold one that was even in worse condition from one of my first videos. It was, I'm gonna put it here, I don't want to butcher it, but kind of same design, like same kind of like tattered up. It sold for 80 bucks like same day. So this is probably over 100 here. These sell really, really quick. All right. Next thing up, we have looks like it's a Million Man March sweater. This is actually kind of crazy. There's no tag, so it's double-sided. Okay. It's a Million Man March from 1995, of course. I actually had a shirt like this, and I sold it for, I think I sold it a little too low because I didn't really know premium that well, but I sold it for about 80, 85. So this is probably way more. This has gotta be at least like 100, 150, probably more than that. This is super sick. Okay, keep going. This is on I think that's Lexington. Been there, done that. Freak Nick. What's on the front? Freak Nick. Black College Spring Break, Atlanta, Georgia. I don't know what this is. In all honesty, I would have to do some research on this. But like I said, I'll put all the stuff that I don't know because some of the stuff is new to me. This is the best part about like these mystery boxes and stuff, is that I get to learn as I go, and this is kind of just like stuffing knowledge in my head because, like, I mean, when do you really get to see these premium items, like, besides in these boxes, or if you get lucky in the thrifts? We have, looks like a Jesus related tee. There is no tag. It looks like it would have been on a Screen Stars. Single stitch. Kind of has like this glittering embossed on it. I don't really see anything else that would say the name of what it is per se. But Jesus tees always do well. Or if it is a Jesus tee, I mean, it looks like a Mother Mary. I don't know. I'm not the religious person, so I wouldn't really know what this is, to be 100% honest with you. It is a big size, so that definitely raises the value on something like that. Okay, we have this is on a Delta Pro Weight. Looks like it's a nice rock shirt. It's got the Lay the Smackdown WWF. It's double stitched up. It's like a 90, 98 around there, I'd imagine. Oh wait, there's a date. Let's see. Sorry, 98. Oof, on point. Rock is like my second favorite wrestler, up next to Stone Cold. Got the Rock on the back. This has got to be over. I actually like never seen this design before. This has got to be a pretty expensive one. I'm gonna say it's over 80. At least that's what I'd probably charge for something like that. Okay, and we have can't tell, but it looks like one of those like Travis Scott STs, which it is, American Thunder. It's got the eagle on the front with the purple. I love this. I love the distress on these. This is a Sunrise. There we go. Sunrise American Thunder. These go, I feel like they went down a little bit, but this one here, because it has the eagle and the all that good stuff. This is probably like an 80 plus here. This is sick. I like this one. This one's the other ones I had in like my previous mystery box from Jam. They were so small. I hated it because they're like here. They're like kind of belly shirts on me, and I'm a short dude as it is, so kind of weird. But that one looks like it'll fit me. That one might stay in the personal, especially with the purple lightning on it. Here we have a Fruit of the Loom. It's a Larry Bird shirt here. Boston. This is just super sick. It's the Magic Johnson t-shirts. These things are like the gnarliest shirts probably ever. Magic Johnson t-shirts go so hard. This one is actually really nice too, and it's a bigger size. It's not, it's a medium. Wow. This is nice. This has gotta be 75 plus here. I'm just gonna take some wild guesses. It's probably way more than that, or way less. Alright, we have a Dragon Ball Z tee, and it is a Vegeta tee. Bruh. Please tell me this is my size. We got the Vegeta. King of all Saiyans. Power level over 60,000. My god. 1999. Alright, so this is $0 because this is straight to the personal. I don't think this is ever gonna be sold unless it's too big on me, but sorry guys, don't even bother. God damn, this is sick. Wow. Got a 3D emblem. It is a Harley tee. That is great. This is from 1989, Harley tee with the bird. Single stitch, has a super nice fade to it. These things are, I hate Harley tees, honestly, some of them, but the 3D emblem tee is the one that I would be looking for if I was gonna get a Harley tee. And this one's huge, the fade, everything is perfect on this shirt. I don't know a value on this because do I find 3D albums often? No. So I don't know, but this has got to be up there. This is probably so far, but I would say this is probably the most expensive. But I wouldn't know until later. Here we have a Tommy, just plain Tommy jeans, green little just like a 2XL Tommy jeans shirt, and tag here, and it is 1997 Sticks. It's a good bag. A little distressed, but the Winterland shirts sell for me very well. I feel like that's a very sought after because they fit a lot better than most. I think they're like a size smaller, but this one is pretty distressed, so this should sell fairly well and fairly quick. And we have a Ultimate Tee Superweight. This is interesting. It is the Fearless Warrior Koa. Hawaiian shirt. Oh, okay. I have like the same, I have the tank top of this. Interesting. I think these are probably a lot of money, but I don't know. I have a tank top just like this. I think it's the same brand. It's from a Hawaiian like strength brand. Honestly, this is probably just gonna stay in the collection. This is on a Shirt Tex New York. This looks crazy. This looks old. David Lee Roth, 1989, super tiny. Skyscraper. It's gotta be over 100 on this. It's in great condition. It has a little bit of like fade on it, which is great. It adds so much character. We have a Juanita Power Tee. This looks like another Harley shirt. Thunder Bay, Harley Davidson, Canada. Ooh, don't see that much often. This is a, I would assume 90s. Has the single stitch there. Back hit is kind of sick, to be honest. It's weird. Most of these have dates, but this one doesn't. Alright, I think we have like 3 more left. And of course, per usual, if you guys like what you see, if you're looking to buy any of these items, they're down in the description of my Depop, Instagram, and eBay. I respond the most on my Instagram. If you guys are ever looking to talk, even if you just want to talk vintage, hit me up. I'm always responding. And yeah, let's just get back into this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have a lot of videos like this coming out almost weekly, and I enjoy it. My little channel is growing thanks to you guys, and I appreciate that so much. And we're gonna keep going. On a blank tag, it looks like it's a Neil Diamond all over print. This is kind of a crazy shirt. 1992 in the round. That's so. I like the colors on this. It's very, it stands out a lot. All right, we have 2 more. And this is on a Hanes Heavyweight, 50/50. Got a nice little Bulls tee here. 1996. It's nice. Yeah, I mean, with the last dance coming out, this is like a perfect t-shirt right here. Nice big sizes too. That's great. I love like the vintage t-shirts when you actually get like a nice big size box, or big sizes in the boxes instead of getting like the tiny sizes. Those don't sell as well. They do, but not as well. This is dope. We got a Winterland Marilyn Manson tee here, and trying to find a date. This is insane. This is probably the most expensive piece in here, I'd imagine. Marilyn Manson tees are insane. I listen to him, not as much as everyone else does, but these tees are great. I like some of these t-shirts. I like some of the more I mean, I would say most of his t-shirts are more on the demonic side, but I like those. Those are, to me, they stand out. This is sick. I'd imagine this is the most expensive piece in here, just by, like, I mean, it's Marilyn Manson. This is a sought after thing. Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys enjoy the content, you know, just hit that thumbs up, and that's really it. You guys stay safe, wash your hands, and have a good one, guys.